name's known as Jackstand Jimmy out here. I got my car. It's a 1990 Nissan 240SX known as Lieutenant Dan. We're out here running the 10K No Time Shootout at LS Fest, Kentucky. It's a stock block, stock crank 5.3. It's got a Precision 98mm turbo on it. It's got a Holley Dominator ECU. I got a set of smart coils on there, a Holley Boost Controller. I got an Terminator harness from Holley, inside and out, filled with Holley parts. It's not slow. My dad owned a shop when I was a kid, doing general repair stuff and race transmissions. We had a race car. He told me, work with your head, not your hands, so I worked with my hands, not my head, and got addicted to the sport of racing. I started driving a car, my other car, my Nova, at the age of 14. Here I am, early 30s, and still out here doing it, still got the car racing. I can't get enough of it.